Hello, NewsEcon student, and welcome everyone. And let's get started. Today we will learn how to use this data to identify time series. And if we have historical data, we must make sure that it's defined as numeric or float numbers and not as undefined string data. How do we know the difference? So let's open the data and see how it looks like. We can see here it's in red, and the data in red are not defined as numbers and they are string. So with this string, let's try to plot a line for any variable consumption, for examples, and see what the outcome will be. We'll see that the program will not recognize and we will not get any results. So in this lesson, we will know how to deal with historical data and time series if they are not defined yet. So now let's go in these steps to define this time series. First of all, you make sure that you've created the data you want or download data that include time series. So here I have a database with Canadian GDP in quarterly series. And we will take a look at the variables and find that the date is in red as we saw, which means that it's not defined yet. So we will start with the next step now. So as I mentioned previously, we will create a new variable for the same time period, but we will define it as numbers that program can understand and use as time series. So let's open the do file now. And let's move down and see those codes. We will find this bunch of code to execute for this exercise. So it includes that we will create a variable with generate order, and we will define this time series as a quarter basis. So let's execute those codes and see what we will have. And here we can find that it's already done and we got the new variable called time. And now if we plot the figure, we will see the consumption line and we will find the trend here. So it's that simple. You can find the do file if you need it in the description box down. And you can share the video with your friends, especially who are studying economics, statistics, or data analysis.